In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit text in a PDF with Smallpdf. We'll walk through a simple workflow so you can change wording in a PDF without installing any software. Start by opening your web browser and heading to smallpdf.com. This site is designed to handle common PDF tasks in just a few clicks, and the editor we'll use is available right on the homepage. Once you're on the site, click Login. Signing in ensures you can access the full editing interface and keep your work synced while you make changes. On the sign-in screen, choose Continue with Google. You'll be redirected to Google's secure sign-in page. Select your Google account to proceed. If your browser asks for permission, confirm so Smallpdf can authenticate you. A quick tip here, always check the address bar and make sure you're on the official smallpdf.com and accounts.google.com domains before entering any credentials. After you're logged in, look for the Edit Text option. Click it, then upload the PDF you want to modify. You can pick a file from your computer using the Upload button or simply drag and drop the PDF into the window. Give the file a moment to load. Larger documents may take a few extra seconds. When the editor opens, click Edit Text to switch into text editing mode. This activates text boxes that Smallpdf has detected on the page. To change existing content, double-click directly on the text you want to edit. You'll see a blinking cursor inside the box, and from there you can type new words, correct typos, or delete text. Use the formatting controls, if available, to adjust font size, weight, or color so your updates match the surrounding style. If you make a mistake, use the undo button or the standard keyboard shortcut to roll back your last change. Zoom in for precision edits, especially with small fonts, and pan around the page to check for hyphenation or line wrapping issues that might appear after you replace text. Try to keep lines balanced and spacing consistent so the document still looks professional. If you notice you can't select certain text, that content may be part of an image or a scanned page. In that case, you may see prompts for conversion or optical character recognition. Follow those on-screen cues if you need to convert the page into editable text. That's it. You've logged in, opened the Edit Text tool, uploaded your PDF, activated edit mode, and made your changes by double-clicking into text boxes. Review your edits page by page, and you're ready to move on with your polished document.